guys, we did it. We did it. I'm doing the happy dance. We hit 500 subbies. I just want to say thank you guys so much for every click, view, share, and comment. I super duper appreciate it. So with that being said, guys, my last pour was a fabulous ring pour with wild cells and great effects and gorgeous lines. And the color palette I used was gorgeous burnt sienna. I used my Artist Loft Acrylic Flow Black, which is also on the canvas, which is a 12 by 12. I used my metallic bronze by Artist Loft, and again my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. So the white and the black are usually my go-tos, but I did get some titanium, which I do know titanium white, from what I've seen and heard, really does act as a cell activator. So I loved the ring pour, and I was thinking about, well, what am I going to do for my 500 video? And I love straight pours, and you guys seem to love my straight pours, which I appreciate. Thank you so much. So I wanted to try that exact color palette again, but I wanted to do it in a straight pour instead of a ring pour. So let's go ahead and get started, fam. Okay, here we have it, fam. This turned out beautiful. Again, really cool effects in it. However, there's already a boo-boo. this section right here. And what happened is, I don't know if I've told you guys this before, but I have a Persian. He has made his 15 minutes of fame in a video of mine a little while ago. And of course, Persians, as you know, are really chunky, fat and yummy and very lovable, but full of fur, which is obviously a reason why he cannot come into my art studio. And I had the door shut and went out and didn't shut it enough. And of course, he hates when I'm in here. He'll cry and cry and cry when I'm in here. I can do anything else. I can leave him in the house for 10 hours. But when I come into my art studio, he has an issue. He really does. He thinks he's king of the house, but he's not. So what happened was, when I came back in, what I didn't know is that I ended up getting some hair on me, and it flew, and it was kind of on my arm, and I didn't notice. And I came back here to touch up the, to get the drippings and everything around the corners. And when I did that, it just flew off and landed. And I tried to take the tweezers and hopefully was able to pick it up into a chunk, because it was more of a chunk with a little bit of pieces here and there, and I couldn't. So all I could do, guys, was pour on some more white and then tilt it off. So am I happy about that? Absolutely not. Because this is the first straight pour that I did in these colors, and to get these type of effects and looks, and unfortunately now it's botched. So if you guys are in love with this, do not get upset with me when you see me do a repour, because unfortunately I'm going to have to. I'm going to absolutely have to. Okay, so now that we've got that out of the way, minus the oopsie. And again, and I always say this, you're probably tired of hearing me saying it, but I can't help it. You guys never get the real color. At least with the camera and the lighting and stuff I have. I mean, sometimes you do, but you rarely get it as vibrant as what it is. And burnt sienna often reads as red. It's not. I can assure you it is a very deep orange, but it does read red on camera. I didn't get anything pink. I just got a little bit of muted burnt sienna because of the white, and that's okay because it didn't turn pink. And I just love those cells here and these gorgeous rippled lines that just blend right into that gorgeous vibrant copper. And overall, guys, like, I just love this kind of wind cloud down here, that looks like it's starting to form, and all of this is in the center. I'm not sure what I'm going to call it yet. I don't know. But I really love this color palette, guys, and I'm going to keep playing with this color palette. I mean, again, I use bronze, black, and white all the time, but a lot of times I'll put copper in instead of the burnt sienna. It's just the variations, really. So, as usual, guys, thank you so much once again. We did it, getting me up to 500 subscribers. Our next milestone is 1,000. We can do it. And I will see you guys in the next pour. Take care. Be safe. Thank you for watching.